What is up, my peeps? I haven't done this in a long time. What's up, my peeps? It's your boy Live3 death500. We have got a new car, so yeah, I'm gonna go out and record it. Haven't got much space. My brother's on his room. Yeah, he's dark in there. So yeah, all the lights are off at the moment. So yeah, we're going out. Our old Shogun's there too. Here it is. We got a racing type Mercedes. Let's go and hop in.
Do you want to get in, Chris?
Yeah.
No, he wants to get in the back.
Yeah, let's get in the front as well. God. Nice leather seats.
You've got plenty of room there, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I think it might be bigger than Shogun.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, you've got enough leg room, yeah?
Yeah, but well, when we go away on holiday, probably have to make some space.
Well,
Right,
no, because
in
we
the
won't be
back.
taking that much with us anyway.
No.
Anyway, is there anything you want to say hi or anything to the subscribers, Dad? And how happy you are with the Mercedes?
Well, this is our new car. I don't know much about it. I'm still getting used to it.
Tell them about the CD player and that. Dad's never been on camera.
I'm just trying to work everything out. There's so much, wasn't it?
So wasn't it like a swap CD player?
There's just so much to it. Do you know what I mean? It's just getting used to everything.
Yeah, my dad's only just got it today.
There you go. That's a little pocket there.
It's all button stuff.
But you've got this as well.
Have you got like the
You can
cigarette
change your
lighter,
tracks.
or is this
No, I don't think it's got anything. I don't know.
sat nav?
I don't know. It might have one in there. I don't know. In the corner. I don't know what that is. Is that one there? I don't know. 12 volt. I don't know.
So yeah, there's lots of nice space in
I don't
here.
know at the moment. You've got
Oh, we've got a little red light down there.
Oh, here. What's that?
That's it. It's pretty sweet.
You've got all of these things here.
That's a hooter.
Trip meter.
Let's see the hoot.
No.
Okay, so
It's really nice actually. What sort of Mercedes is it again?
See.
I'm literally out here with literally no shoes on, just socks, and it's comfy. Been videoing for 3 minutes, so
I don't know what half
smash that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, car park's filled.
service.
Belts are really different, very different, because in the Shogun you have the belts this side sort of thing, but now they're going this side,
It's a fuel consumption.
so
Reset.
we're pretty much in the normal light. Oh, we got lights in the back here too,
Yeah, you've got lights here as well.
some little lights.
Look at that, Carol. Lights there.
Lights there.
Oh, you've got these here. You've got a light there, look. Map of lights.
Alright.
Each side. There's so many switches and everything.
Yeah, you've got the aircon at the moment.
So yeah, it's really nice. Got your own like seat thing. What comes out?
It's just trying to work everything out, isn't it? Well, you've got heated seats, I think. I don't know.
Boom.
Blimey, that's a big wide one, isn't it?
Yeah. I can actually rest my head on it.
I don't know how anything operates at the moment, so be really careful.
Boom.
secret cubby.
We can have like
What
our
was
own
that a bit
food.
for?
And I don't
Be
know.
very careful with everything because I don't know how anything works.
It's all buttoned. Drinks, food holder. What the hell, guys? What the actual hell? We can have our food here. We can have drinks here. What the actual hell? Boom.
Yeah, right, I'm just saying that.
Would you like some champagne? That is pretty sick. I like that. At least now, yeah, we've got somewhere we can put the Coca-Cola. What's the boot like? Weren't expecting that.
Side pocket down there.
Side pocket?
Mm.
Oh yeah, look,
Little knitting one.
I'm trying to work.
There's a lot of space.
I'm trying to.
Covered with that
Got
aircon
spaces in the seats, we've got space there. Got an open space bit. A lot of space. We're going to check out the boot in a minute.
Hold on, I'm just trying to work this out here because wait a minute, factory settings.
We can actually just like fall asleep.
No, hold on a minute.
Apparently it's faster than a Shogun, so...
Hello, yeah. So just under 150.
150. Oh, okay. All boot time. Yeah, we got plenty of space. We can fit 3 suitcases in there.
Yeah, that's 3 bags. Looks like we've got.
What's that?
I think that's like a little netting bag now.
Comes with some pretty
So
sick
funny,
stuff. A bit like tools for Dad. Can go in there.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah. So yeah.
Oh, is it big enough?
Yeah. Chris reckons we can get 3 bags in there,
Yeah,
easy.
also, I've got. Let's see if they're not in
Around about 2 or 3 suitcases in. And a couple bags, at least. Our old vehicle, what's generally going to be going is here. The big Shogun. That's going to be going. And now we got this. So, all good.
You can wear the glove. Well, no, it wouldn't.
But this thing here, I can obviously
Those rims though.
read up on. This here is the locking wheel nut things. They're AGM alloys, they are, because they're special alloys.
Sports rims. Got them on Grand Theft Auto.
Oh, yeah.
Extra wheel.
I didn't recognise you. You alright? Yeah, good.
Got a secret wheel under there.
Who's that?
Caroline.
Oh, okay.
How did you sit there?
Oh, okay.
I didn't even recognise you.
Anyway, guys, better get going. Away from the building. Back into the house. Restaurants. There's probably glass around. Anyway, guys, going back up to my room. So yeah, oh yeah, there was one thing. Shoot that 1993. What game you won?
I'm not, I'm on watch it. I'm for you.
Any of you who play it, I am for you. That's
I am for you.
whatever he plays. So, but and you know me. I play. I'm like Unreal Tournament, GTA, Call of Duty. Pretty much all the games what's along there and everything. It's all very messy at the moment. Need to get sorted. Got a Coca-Cola. Got my Coke. PS2 to PS1, PSP, Sega? No. DS. They are in that one. Right here, so. Yeah. I'm gonna need to be sorting out some stuff. Oh yeah, just in case I ever wanted a cup of coffee, cappuccino, I got it right here. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is the game I've been playing. It's Total Annihilation. Good game. If any of you play it, definitely hit me up. You can probably see me on there. I go by the name of Little CK, you know. My colour is always yellow on there, so you might see me on there. I have a lot of headsets. Oh yeah, I know I haven't shown you guys this in a while, so boom, some changing colour stuff. I will be getting some lights under here when I get the money. This is still nothing to really change. I still haven't got my laptop, unfortunately. And I'm going to be getting another TV, same size as this, to go here. Pretty much. And then as soon as I get my laptop, when I get the money, be going here. And then all this will be hooked up with the game cat. So yeah, it'd be all good. This is all built up, this one. This was built a long time ago. But then we got it upgraded, so now we can fit 4 discs, 5 memory sticks. It's bloody powerful. It can run at least 4 computers on its own. So bloody powerful. Not enough storage though, unfortunately. But it's still really good. So yeah, that's about it, what I wanted to show you. So yeah. Yeah, I'm into this dark stuff, so yeah. Anyway, this is your boy, death500, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Peace!